The Philadelphia Floor Store is the one-stop shop for your hardwood and sport flooring needs.
Hi, my name is Joe Glavin from Philadelphia Floor, and today we're going to talk about the MegaVac backpack vac from ProTeam. ProTeam came out with this model probably 15 to 20 years ago. One of the first to innovate a backpack vac system for industrial cleaning. The unit is 10 quart in volume and has triple filtration. You have a 10 quart paper filter bag, a 10 quart cloth filter bag, and a dome filter on top of the motor right here. So everything that's collected, there's clean air only coming out the bottom. And coming out the bottom with the clean air, there's a diffuser here. This diffuser reduces the noise and allows the volume of air coming out to be dispersed so you're not blowing dust around on the floor as you're trying to clean it. The backpack straps are attached to a very ergonomic system, allowing for comfort and adjustability with the waist belt and the length of the strap. You also have tool holders here that are elastic on the waist belt, so you can put horsehair, sill brushes, crevice tools, any of the tools that you're going to use that would attach to the 4-foot hose that comes out of the top. The hose that connects in here comes with a 90-degree swivel and is about 4 to 5 feet long. This would make it easy to attach to a dustless buffer. Guys will wear this on their back for a dustless buffer, and it really does, when you have a dust containment system and a shroud on your buffer, it really does make for a whole lot less dust. Okay, I'm just going to go over the backpack vac with the attachments attached, how to put it on, and how it's used. As you can see, the attachments are added to the waist belt. The 4-foot hose with the swivel, 90-degree swivel, is attached. And the lighted extension cord, non-marking, very key, right? Non-marking yellow cable is attached for power. And we have our switch box, which is also on the left-hand side. So I usually, depending on the size of the person, loosen everything up. Put it on. Attach the waist belt. Tighten it up. Right-handed, so I just spin it. Check the power's on. And we're good to go. Any one of the tools, easily accessible, we'll put it on. Majority of the floor sanding contractors and hardwood floor contractors will be using the wand to clean up any dust before and after buffing, either the raw wood or the finished wood for between coats. Hooks easily. At the end of the 4-foot hose is a swivel cuff, so the hose won't get kinked and it'll stay on my right-hand side. Unit also comes with a 14-inch ABS plastic wand end and a 14-inch floor tool. This is horsehair, also available in felt. Easy to remove, put it in, clamp down on the coupling, you're ready to go. As you can see, inside and outside the dormer, compact, easy, can bend over, hands are free, very easy to use. If you'd like to purchase this backpack vacuum from ProTeam, the MegaVac, visit phillyfloor.com.
The Philadelphia Floor Store is the one-stop shop for your hardwood and sport flooring needs.
Hi, my name is Joe Glavin from Philadelphia Floor, and today we're going to talk about the MegaVac backpack vac from ProTeam. ProTeam came out with this model probably 15 to 20 years ago. One of the